Dyna Boards is building a new, unique, and simple way to get your message in front of at least 30,000 customers every month. This is like big billboard advertising, but instead, we display your ads on TVs and high traffic venues in your local sales area. All big billboard studies have incredible results. Here's how it works. We build a network of 15 or more high quality, high traffic local small businesses in your area. Professionally install a TV in each host venue where your customers will see it and pay them to be a host location. Each network will have host locations like sports bars, gyms, spas, convenience, and grocery stores. And each network will cycle through 30,000 to 50,000 customers per network per month. We're looking for home services, financial services, and home improvement companies to be advertisers. Each advertisers will display one ad every 10 seconds like this, every 10 minutes, which means your ads will be seen 6 times an hour in one location and 90 times an hour over the entire network, every hour, every day for a year. We estimate your business can reach every person within a 4-mile radius each year because there is no other platform like this anywhere. Here's why. Your customers don't have to open an app, turn on a TV, or search on a computer. You'll engage them where they stand in line, relax at a salon, service their car, or eat with friends. This is why digital billboards are so effective, and now you have direct access to them. Here's the best part. Each advertiser is exclusive to the network. That means there can only be one real estate agent, one window company, one plumbing company, and so on. And it's yours to keep as long as the contract is renewed before it expires. Don't delay. Your competition will want this space, and it's first come, first served. Don't miss out. Dyna Boards also has a strict exclusivity policy where we won't compete with another business like yours. Call Dyna Boards now and we'll explain even more benefits available, like targeting men in barbershops or women in spas, or we can run holiday and seasonal specials, or we can start a branding campaign to keep you top of mind. The possibilities are endless, and we can guide you through the process easily. Call Dyna Boards now to see how we can build your business for less than a penny per impression.